All right, last one.
Man sues Buffalo Wild Wings because he says its boneless wings are actually chicken nuggets. When were we all going to talk about the fact that there's no such thing as a boneless chicken wing, right? That doesn't exist.
Not yet.
What do you mean? You're going to grow it in a lab or something?
Yeah, it's going to be lab.
An actual chicken wing has a bone in it because it's a chicken's wing. And yeah, that always bugged me on a menu. They're like, you want boneless? I'm like, get out of here. You make it sound like you took the bones out of it. It's not like a watermelon with seedless.
Yeah.
It's rude. But they are, yeah. They are chicken nuggets or chicken fingers or chicken blobs or whatever they are. And then they're just sauced up as if they were wings, and they're sort of in the shape of wings.
Yeah, they're mashed up chicken parts.
Sure, yeah.
It's like formed into nuggets.
It's like a nugget.
That's what it is.
But I thought everybody knew this, but this guy's pissed at the language. A man is
like, why is that?
Buffalo Wild Wings saying his boneless wings are closer to chicken nuggets. His lawsuit says boneless implies the product is a chicken wing that has simply been deboned. Yeah, it does. We have a lot of like language stuff going on in this episode here today.
Yeah.
A man filed a class action lawsuit against Buffalo Wild Wings, claiming that its boneless wings are actually made of chicken breast and are closer in composition to chicken nuggets than wings. He filed at least one other class action lawsuit claiming that the natural label on Tom's Wicked Fresh mouthwash and in the high in fiber label on Kind granola. So he's going after all kinds of... Yeah. Buffalo Wild Wing, Colgate, Kind, and Hefty. He found a lawyer, and the lawyer was like, I'll do whatever you want. And he's like, well,
let's try.
We're going after everyone. Yeah. But the boneless wings one is kind of irritating to me the way, because I've had to explain it to my kids. They're like, they say, you want boneless? And the kids are like, I don't know. What do you mean by that? And I'm like, no, you don't want the boneless. I mean, unless you do want the boneless, but let me explain to you what it actually is.
But they're not the wing.
It's not actually a chicken wing, just so you're aware.
Yeah, it's strange that they call it boneless.
Yeah, I know.
Like the boneless wing.
Listen, man, I hear you.
Yeah.
I'm just opening up my Kirkland trip over here.
Oh, okay.